Okay, now it started.
Can I start going here, please?
Your life.
Hey everybody, welcome. I'm Stephen Kalayjian. Welcome to SKTrading.live, and we're live here in the Asian session here. Okay, the Tokyo session. Very excited to be here right now. The S&P futures are negative here on indicator 4 on the 15, 30, and 60-minute time frame. Really great pattern for a short on the 1940 time period. We have AMD getting absolutely slaughtered, rallied, only down about 8, then it got crushed. We have it down 13 now, about below 163. So tomorrow should be an ugly type of a day here. The Qs are going to reverse to sell on the 15, on the 60-minute time frames. Let's see here. Gold. I probably, again, the gold futures right now, if you look at gold futures on the 30 and 60-minute time frames, we're bearish on the 15, but we're bullish here right now on the 60 and the 30. So beautiful. Look at that oversold condition here on gold on the 15-minute time frame right here. Beautiful pattern right before, of course, right before we came on here. All right. Let's see what's happening here now. Let's see. Gold making new highs here. If you want to take a scalp short only, I would look to short gold 38.80 up to 41.80 on gold short here. All right. Good morning. Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon. I'm Stephen Kalayjian. Welcome to the Asian Tokyo session. I plan on doing this live. And I really wanted to help people who are trading prop accounts, funded accounts, and to be able to trade, make a couple hundred, anywhere from $200 to $500 to $1,000 in this session. Pretty much, I have to tell you, gold is the most active commodity that we look at, futures that we look at during this time period. And we're just looking to go in and out and trade it. Short some gold at 38.80 and 39.5 and 39.80 if it gets up there. Again, we're just looking for a scalp short here because the underlying ETFs and the continuous contracts still bullish on the 30 and 60-minute time frames here. A lot of echo. There's a lot of echo they're saying.
Yeah, it's coming out of your mic. Just turn your
Okay.
sound off.
All right, I turned it off. Can you hear me better here? Claudia? All right. I have a bad echo. Hello from India. Hello, everybody. Hello. All right, S&P futures, if they push up here to 22, 23, I'd look to take a short 23 to 28 on the E-minis here. All right. We're working on it. Okay, still an echo. I don't know. There's still an echo here. There's a bad, everybody's blasting me. There's a bad echo on my mic. Better yet now? No, Sean just texted me saying there's a bad echo.
We're trying to figure it out. I mean, go ahead. Keep going. There's not really much we can do. We have to figure out what it is.
All right. Well, this is crazy. All right. Hello, everybody. I'm Stephen Kalayjian. Again, welcome to SKTrading.live during the Asian Tokyo session here. Let's see. We're looking to try to trade the first 2 hours of the Tokyo session here. Let's see what the... Hello, everybody. Hello. You have a mentor. I'm right here. Okay. All right. Okay. Hello, everybody. Okay. So basically, I do not look at candlesticks. Okay. I look at bar data. So this is a beautiful pattern here. Oversold here. Beautiful. How was the New York session? We had a great session today. Gold. All right, cancel the gold short. They should have shorted 38 and a halves up there. Oh, gold's going to get kabooshed here. S&P futures, I would look to short here. Actually, I would cancel the S&P short. Let's wait. Oil. Let's see what happens with oil here. Oil's in a negative trend on the underlying ETF. Gold just dropped $1 here. There's no echo? What live session? No echo on website. Okay. But on the looks like there's an echo on the other one here. All right, gold just dropped here. I missed the gold short. Tried to short that gold. Oh, actually, yeah, got up to 60 on the gold. Missed it by 20 cents on the gold short here. Oh wow, gold just got kabooshed here. All right, we gotta have to wait here. Very patient. Again, during the Asian markets, it's very quiet here. But you can see that the underlying gold has some really good underlying strength here. Just wanted to take a quick little short here against the. See when gold reversed to sell here. You got to be answering some of these questions here. Echoes only on YouTube. So can somebody fix the echo on YouTube, please? Nasdaq, another good short there. All right. Wow, gold just got. So you see when gold reversed to sell on the 15, you could have bought that oversold. This is what's called a buy disconnect. The 15 went negative on the oversold. The algorithm reversed to sell. And you can see, hello Josephine from Las Vegas, how are you? And you can see how the 30 and the 60 minute were still bullish. So you could buy the oversold condition here. Still has an echo. GV Realty Group. Cancel the gold. Yep. Anyways, there's still an echo. Nasdaq, I'm looking. Let's see here. Again, AMD and SMCI, bad earnings after the bell today, so tomorrow's market should get kabooshed. Martin does not hear an echo. Okay, Martin, good man. Still like to short this gold. Got up to. I was looking to short the gold at 38.80. Got up to 38.60 and just dropped $1.50. I'd like to short these S&Ps. You have to get up to the 24, 29 mark on S&Ps. I would look to short there. Here we go. 24 and a quarter. Short some S&Ps at 24 and 3/4. 24 and a half. Short some. All right. Look at that. S&Ps, if you short them, look to cover below 22, 23 here. Just hit the 24 mark. If you got one off, just drop the handle and a half on the S&Ps. Nice little short there. Again, AMD and SMCI are getting kabooshed after hours. Can I see the questions, please, and stop fooling around with that? Who's doing it? Still an echo. Well. Who's doing it? See the questions, please, and stop fooling around. All right, little scalp, a little short there on the S&Ps. Just dropped 1.5. Actually, 2 if you sold 24 and a halves. Now, normally around 8:30, 8:40, they'll start picking up here. I love the Asian markets. Last night there were two great trades in 1 hour. One short on the S&P, one long, and the same thing will go. One short and one long. Really, I mean, you can really make anywhere if you're doing funded accounts, which I think are great trading vehicles, especially because there's no margin. If you look at this gold drop, S&P's just dropped 2 here. Anybody get that short up there, even on one contract above 24? And anybody new here, I'm Stephen Kalayjian. Look at the S&P's dropped 3. Gold just dropped a buck. Oh my God, gold just dropped. I missed the gold by 20 cents. Come on. I was actually going to go 38.5 on the gold. Damn it. S&P's just dropped 3. NASDAQ futures just dropped about 12. Really great. Really, let's go. Well, the NASDAQ, you know, I really, Martin's asked me about the NASDAQ, you know, hello, Mario. How are you? Too much echo. Guys, can somebody from SK Trading please address the echo before I get really upset? I'm looking for NASDAQ shorts, correct. All right, let's see if this gold can get another push up here. All right, there goes the gold right back up. See if this gold can get another push up here. Good job. Who is this? Tara, who is this? Okay, if you short the S&Ps, I would just look to cover below 21.5 here. Okay, again, I don't understand why there's an echo here. Gold right back up. Gold just lifted about $1.50 just now off the 5. Hello from Japan. Hello, my good friend. Hello, how are you? Kiyochi. Hello, how are you? I'm not touching the mic. Okay, I don't understand why there's a problem in the streaming world here. Okay. All right, gold right back up again. Gold still bullish here on the 30 and 60-minute time frame on indicator 4. You only want trend trades? Well, I'm sorry, I can't give you a trend trade because the 15-minute time frame is still in sell mode, so you have a buy disconnect. Okay? So then you have to wait for a pullback on the 5-minute time frame. All right, there goes the gold. Gold, I would take a short here, 39.5 to 42 on the gold. Perfect now, GV. Hey, Kiyochi, how are you? Wait, and everybody, if you want to join me every single day here at sktrading.live, I'm here every day from 9 to 4. We absolutely destroyed it today. We absolutely had a great day here. Mark Houlihan, how are you? And also, for those of you who want to watch my podcast, The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly, here we go. Here goes the gold, making new highs here. 15-minute time frame will reverse if you take out the 42 level, and that's that number right here. You can see this number right here, 42. Okay, all good now, Mark Houlihan? Good job. All right. Echo is fixed on YouTube, I hear. Okay, great job. All right. William, I love it. I love it. Gold, I would short some gold here. Probably like the 39.30 up to 42 level. You scale into the short. Look at this. I keep missing this gold. Jesus, Lord God Almighty. What was the high? 39.10. Damn it. Just dropped 70 cents. I'll get this bastard, right? Hey, Josh. How are you? All right. And those of you who are new here today, contrarian to, nope, still here in Echo. I don't know what to do. I'm about to kill myself. Okay? I'm about to kill myself. I don't know what to do. Short some gold at 39 and a half, and then 40.30 and 40.80. Whew, I'm exhausted. Long day here. But I want to do this because so many people really want to trade the night session, and I think there's good money to be made in the night session, especially in gold. And if you're doing funded accounts where there's no margin, so what's wrong with the voice? I have no idea. How can we learn? You go to sctrading.live. That's my website. And you can contact me directly on WhatsApp at 914-500-7484. Look at this S&Ps, you bastard. S&Ps, if they get up to the 23 level again, I'm going to look to short. No more, okay? Echo is gone, fixed on YouTube. Michael Lenz, hey Steve, no echo anymore. It's good. All right. All right, S&Ps, the market's in trouble here. Right now, I can't believe the S&P's only down 4. The Nasdaq's down 62. AMD has absolutely got kabooshed. Okay, after the close, down 13, down over more than 7.5%. You got SMCI down 10, down 17% after hours. Missed that gold again, just dropped $1. Jesus, Lord God. Big Spark, do you like the resolution on the large screen or prefer standard monitor? I am 62 years old. I want the big screen. Well, I mean, it depends. If you want one or two big ones, then I don't know what you're trading. But the reason why I have all these monitors, I just want to be clear, is because the way I disseminate my information, okay, is not because I'm looking to set the Guinness Book of World Records or die from radiation poisoning, okay? It's because I have so much running on the bigger time frames. I disseminate this news not only to my stream, to my people and my customers, but to people who are hedge funds, family offices, okay? I do not look 62. Well, I am 62, okay? I am 62, and I don't feel a day over 35, okay? Go long or short. I don't know what you're talking about. I'm looking to short the gold for a scalp short only because you're in a buy disconnect. Take a fine time to leave me, Lucille. Raise the gold to 9.5 and 40.5. Now gold's making a new high here, and the MACDs on the 15-minute time frame are non-confirming. Bitcoin's down about 5,000 off the highs in the last week. Look at this freaking gold. Jesus, come on. This is what happens in the Asian session. Short some gold at 30. Just short one lot. Just to get involved. It just dropped 40 cents. Okay. Cancel 50, go to 80. So all you're trying to do is make about anywhere from $200 to $500 in an overnight session if you have multiple cover gold at 90, at even. You're just trying to make anywhere from a couple of hundred to $300, $500 a night. And the reason being is that if you have multiple accounts, you make 300 times 5 accounts, well, then do the math. Then do the math, right? Then do the math. All right, bought the gold back, just trading it, just in and out, right? You make 30, 50 here, 30, 50 here, 50, 80 here, 50 to 100 here, boom. You're at 400 or 500 in 2 hours. Michael Lenz, tell him, this is how we do it. Short gold to 80. All right. All right, we need some action here. Okay, we need some definite action. S&P's got up to 24.5, drop 3. Now, the reason why I'm looking to short this gold is you're making new highs here in non-confirmation on the 15-minute time frames. You're getting a little bit overbought here on the 15s. All day, Michael Lenz. Every day. Michael Lenz, one of my best students, one of my best traders from the great state of Alabama. I'm very proud of him. Multiple accounts, trades every single day. So disciplined in his approach. And you know what? This ain't easy. I'll tell you now. I'm not going to bullshit anybody. This is not easy, right? But if you learn from me and you put your mind to it and you learn the methodology, a gentleman today was with me, right? Made $12,000. A gentleman from Malta made $16,000, $1,600 on 10 accounts. The $12,000 was real money. The $16,000 was on a prop firm. You make $16,000 a day on 22 business days, okay, on 10 accounts. That's $350,000 at 90%. You're walking away with $316,000. That's $3.67 million a year. Game over. OVA. Go Dogs! Go Dogs. There goes the gold. If you're short the gold, look to cover between 38.5 and 39. Go Dogs! I can't wait for college football. I can't wait for college football. Again, if you want to join me every day, I go to my website, sktrading.live. sktrading.live. Cancel my gold. I do not like to leave orders out there like that if it's more than 3-4 minutes. Gary, how are you? Mike McMullen. There you are, my good buddy. Where have you been? Michael, I'm coming to the Georgia-Texas game. You better put me up somewhere. I got nowhere to stay. I'm not sleeping in my car. I can't get a hotel room for 200 miles around. My daughter's staying with her girlfriend because she went to UGA. I'm not missing that game, Georgia-Texas, or Texas-Georgia at Athens. Hell no. Hell no. Come on, baby. Let's go. Kick it up. Dogs, game over. They're ranked number 2 in the country. I can't believe Oregon's ranked number 1. I can't believe Oregon's ranked number 1. Ohio State's, I think, ranked 5th. I got to tell you, so many people have switched over from trading NASDAQ to S&P futures, and it's a game changer. Short some gold at 39.80. S&Ps, short some S&Ps at 24 and 3/4. And all you're trying to do is try to make a couple hundred, 3, 4, 500 a night in the Asian markets. Okay, if you I'm looking to short the S&Ps here soon. Yes, sir. Yes, who's that? Sam I am? I guess that's a guy. I'm looking at, listen, on the SPUs, on the S&Ps, we try to make north of 10 handles a day. I think today we made, if I'm not mistaken, I think we made close to 30, 31. S&Ps go to 24. This is not breaking. Go to 24. 24 and 24 and 3/4. Oh my God, it just dropped 2 handles. Come on. So when I say a handle, right? So if you sold S&P, let's say you sold 3 S&Ps at 24, you just bought them back at 22.5. That's 1.5 points. It doesn't count as 4.5. I just want to be clear on that, okay? Who's your son? S&Ps, the night session will do anywhere from 5 to 10, maybe more. It depends on the volatility. Again, if you want a great trading prop firm, you have My Funded Futures and also the Legends Trading. Legends Trading, if you type in code SK, you get 80%. My Funded Futures is another great, I know the owners of both. Okay. Sam I am. That's your son? Okay, got it. I'm confused. So if S&Ps, shoot, should have sold 20. All right, cancel the S&Ps, cancel the gold. What's your plan? Everybody, I do not look at XAU. Please, if anybody asks me one more time about XAU, I'm gonna kill myself. I only look at gold futures. Last time I did a Tokyo Asian session, there had to be 250. Do you look at XAU? Do you look at XAU? I went home. I needed a drink at 10 o'clock at night. I do not. Hello from Indonesia, Adasani. How are you? I do not look 4 ticks and 1 handle. I do not look at ticks, and I do only look at handles. I do not look at ticks. So if the S&Ps drop 3 points, I don't say, I just made 12 ticks. I made 3 points, 3 handles. That's how you look at it. I'm old school. Okay? Hello from Indonesia. B. Carter! B. Carter, where have you been, good buddy? Get in here. Let's go. I need my buddy Jeff Kinsley. Jeff Kinsley's the man. Michael Sweeney, you in the house? Michael Sweeney? Here we go. Short some gold at 39.90. Here, short some gold 39.90. And short some at 40.90. Okay, short some at 40.90. I'm just scalping to short the gold. Actually, gold is really in an uptrend. Cover gold at 9.5. Just looking to scalp it. Just trade it. Nothing really going on. I don't know if it's going to get cabooshed, Aaron. You're in an uptrend here. Gold really should have been bought, not sold. But we're not getting any pullbacks on the 5 yet, so I'm just playing around here. Just trying to scalp some gold, nothing big. La 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 la. Short-term S&Ps at 24. Hello from India. Hello. I'm just trying to short the gold. Just scalp it. I'm just trying to look for a pullback. I'm just going small. I'm not going big. Hello from Malaysia. Beautiful country. God bless you. This gold does not want to drop. When am I short the gold? 90?
Yeah.
Cover the gold at 70. Or 90. Just cover the gold at 90. I don't like it. Sometimes you gotta push. I'm covering the gold unchanged if it gets down there. Maybe it goes a little higher. Hey, George. George, Costa Rica. A great country, my good brother. B. Carter, my vacation was amazing. You short some more gold at 90, right?
Yeah.
Order filled.
What was that?
That was the S&Ps.
24 and a half?
Yeah.
Short more 25 and a half.
Or no, 24.
Oh, short some at 25.
Order filled.
Cover everything at 24. Hurry.
Order filled.
There you go. That's what I'm talking about. Love this. Short some more at 25. Let's go. Right back. Boom. Kabooshed. In and out. Look at the S&Ps drop. Look to cover below 24.
Order filled. Order filled.
Flacco.
What's that? I'm hearing order filled everywhere. I can't take it. What am I short?
You're flat everything.
Short gold at 40.30. Anybody short the S&Ps up there? There you go. What happened to my questions and answers? Everything disappeared.
YouTube?
Yeah.
Go to Ghost.
If you're short the gold, look to cover the gold below 90. What happened?
Someone move something. Must have been Billy.
I do not look at XAU during the Asian markets. I look at gold futures. Please do not torture me. Jonathan! Jonathan, I can't wait to see you. Scotty Tucker? Yes, scaling in and out. One of the look at the gold drop. Okay, this is why you would just trade. So scaling in and out. I've been trading Forex for 6 years. How can I become a trader for investor? You can't be both. You can't be a trader or an investor. It's either one or the other, or you can do both with some of your money. Okay? You want an iPhone? How about you give me an iPhone first and I'll give you an iPhone back. Okay? All right. If you're a trader for 6 years, how can I become an investor? Okay, so let me tell you what's really important about becoming a trader. One thing, outside of learning my methodology and everything like that, what you really need to focus on is understanding how to execute orders on your matrix, right? On your ladder, whatever you want to call it. Okay? Frank, tell me you're short of the S&Ps up there at 24 and a half, 25. All right? And the second thing is, what's really important is to learn how to scale in and scale out of trades. Okay, so if I call a range, everybody has different. You have to determine how many contracts you want to be short. God bless you too, Raj. Okay. Mohammed, how are you, my good friend? Raj, good morning. Where are you from? Okay, S&Ps just got kabooshed here, 2.5 handles. Gold, look at this gold. I knew this gold was going to drop. Drop the dollar. Hello, Erzvar. Okay, all right. So scaling in and scaling out is very important here. So you have to determine how many contracts you want to short, okay, on any trade. If you're doing micros, or if you're doing big ones, you know, I like to do what's called pyramiding. Look at this gold drop. You got to be kidding me. $1.70. Come on. Making new highs. Oh, my God, I'm going to kill myself. $2. Who's short the gold? Anybody? I covered like a unchanged. Anybody short the gold? Anybody find the Duke? Remember the Midnight Run? What a classic movie. Hello from Monaco. Hello, bro. Hello. Good job, Mike Jock. Aaron, great. Aaron's a long time. Aaron, I love you to death. Good job. No cursing, Aaron. You got one handle. Good job. S&Ps, anybody? Frank, you get short the S&Ps up there, 24 and a half, 25. Come on. This is a lot of activity for the night session. Let's go. Let's do it. Listen, God bless America, baby. Right here. You guys see all the shirts I got coming. American flags, God bless America. Let's do it. Right? I'm telling you, S&Ps could break 6,300 tomorrow. I'm definitely going under tomorrow. View on U.S. stock trading? Well, what kind of question is that? Is that a question, what do I think of stock trading in general? Do I think of what's stock trading for the tomorrow? Sniper entry. Good job. So the Asian markets really have a lot, based upon the news and data, I think stock market indices could fall. I look at technicals. I do not look at news and data. I look at technicals. I think the market's going to get crushed. Okay? And I've been saying that since 64.50. The US of A, baby. There you go. Absolutely. S&P short them at 5.5. Good morning from Thailand. Hello, my friend. Check DPST. I'm down 100,000. What the hell is DPST? The hell is this? I'm scared to look. I can't take it. I'm down 100. How could you be? What are you down? I don't understand the stock. What am I looking at here? Oh my God. S&Ps go to 25. What the hell are you doing buying this stock? I don't get it. Everett! Oh my God almighty, I'm going to have a heart attack. Everett, where the hell have you been? Everett. Hello from Indonesia. If you're down $100,000, I'd be on the Johnny Walker Blue heavy.
Daily regional banks full.
What is this? I don't trade these crazy names. That's why I trade the same names every day. Who shorted the S&Ps above 25? Can technical perspective based upon supply and demand without lead a trader to consider? I don't. Whatever you're on, Martin Marie, please send me a case, please. Okay. Watching from Brazil. Hello, Sofa. Martina Marie. How do you say this? I can't even say it. Can people just have simple names like Henry, Frank, Joe? Whatever you're on, please. S&P's down. Look at this. There you go. $75. Look at this gold drop, man. You rotten hell. What do I trade every day? S&P futures, gold, oil sometimes. What else? Look at this gold drop. I knew this gold was going to drop. Microsoft, Amazon, Apple, Nvidia, Avago, Spiders, Qs, Diamonds, IWMs, Coinbase, MSCR, HIMS, SMCI, Tesla, Palantir, Nvidia, what else? AMD, Meta, what else? What?
MSTR?
MSTR. Okay, look at this gold down $3. May you the guy who bought gold at 34.30, he jumped. F off Trump? No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No cursing here, and I'm a big Trumpy. Okay?
Person's gonna get banned.
What?
They're gonna get banned talking like that.
You're gonna get banned. You're on double secret probation right now. I don't look at VWAP. Dixion Daily Regional Bank Bull 3 times share. Well, why would anybody buy gold? The market is up from 4,800 to 6,400. I'm screaming to every hedge fund, okay, that why do I have a chart on your trading room? Okay, this guy, whoever you are, this guy is going to make me have an aneurysm tonight. Okay? I've been shorting I've been calling for shorts the last week. Good job. Who is that? So now if you had 10 accounts, you make $4,300. Look at this gold. Oh my God almighty. Anybody short the S&Ps above 25? Frank? Do you have it? Why do you have any chart in your trading room? I don't even have to answer this. Can somebody help me answer this? You bought 300 for long term. You buy 300 at the highs after the market rallies 1,600 points? Oh my God. What's that noise?
It's like fireworks.
What is that noise? I feel like I'm getting shot at. Lock the door.
Sounds like
I have a course. I teach dynamically, and yes, we have a course at sktrading.live.
sounds like the Bronx out there. Abaco.
Watching from? Uzbekistan. Hello, hello, hello. Right now, I have a 2% profit. My balance. What? What do you think? I can't. My heart. I don't even. Can you explain this to me?
Right now I got 2% profit.
On $500, how much is that? $10?
Yeah.
I would take it, and I would go buy a scotch. Hello from Ohio. Buckeye State. Today bias of gold is not down. I beg to differ. Gold's still bullish on the 30 and 60 minute time frame, so I don't know about that one. Frank, you do anything today so far? Frank? Gordon Gecko? These questions are killers, Jock. Jock, you're my official police sergeant for these questions. All right, so Sev, so basically, okay, I look at the way I look at everything is using 3 time frames, 15-minute, 30, and 60-minute time frame. On my indicator 4 gives me the ability, okay, to look at the market on using 3. There's nothing in NASDAQ right now. Okay, 3 time frames, and my indicator 4 gives me the ability to understand the conditions, and they have 5 conditions. You can have a trend where all 3 time frames are aligned, 15, 30, and 60. or gold, I would wait for a bounce. Okay, 15, 30, and 60, and then you have a trend, you have a buy reversal, a sell reversal, a correlation, and a disconnect. Right now, gold is in a disconnect, and the S&P futures are in a negative trend, 50, and the NASDAQ. So that's why I'm shorting the market. Every overbought condition on the 5, I'm taking shorts, okay? What do you think about gold? I just called a short in gold. I think gold could get maybe one more push up here. Matter of fact, if you want to take a scalp short, that means you switch to micros. I would look to buy gold here, probably between the 34 and the 36.30 level. Okay? And why do I need a chart when you trade? I don't know. When a doctor looks at somebody and wants to perform a surgery, don't you think he looks at an x-ray first? Martin, why would you be long S&Ps? Hello from Pakistan. Palantir and SoFi? What's SoFi doing here? SOFI. SoFi. I don't know. I don't trade these names. Palantir I trade. Palantir is way overextended. I would probably look for a nice pullback on a deep oversold condition. Hello, some I can't even say it. Slovenia? How do you say that? Slovenia? You're 18 points from the 10-bar moving average. Too far. Slovenia. That's it. Sorry, I couldn't say it. S&P can't decide the direction. Are you crazy? S&Ps are a short. Okay? S&Ps are a short. Okay? So right now, Palantir is 18 points from the 10-bar moving average. Right here is the moving average. That's 27 from... So if you look at the weekly, you're way overextended here. I mean, I remember this stock trading at $60. You have $40 from the 10-bar. So I think this is going to get a hefty pullback somewhere. And I think if the market pulls in to 5,700, like I think it's going to, then I do believe. What do I think about shorting ES? Well, we had 2 good shorts in already. I think that when the market pulls in, if we do get the pullback between now and October, I think Palantir is a name you want to own on that pullback. If we fill that gap at 5,700 on the S&Ps, higher time frames is the main. That's why in day gold. What? But you're legendary. So what? I don't understand this. Higher time frame is the main. That's why in day gold going down. Maybe you're legendary. I need a drink.
Yeah, too many Johnny Walkers.
Too many I need to go on to Johnny Walkers. Took a buy in the gold. What do you think? I think you're going to be okay here if the 5 turns up. It's just really quiet now. All right. This DPST, I can't tell you why you would buy something after the S&Ps won 1,600 points. Can I show S&Ps now? Or I think you have to wait patiently for another push up. Here we go, another balloon, XAU. If I get one more XAU question, I'm going to absolutely get a gun and kill myself. I do not look at XAU. Frank, can you help me, please? Gordon Gecko. Okay. SoFi. I don't look at SoFi. I looked at it. This is why I'm going to be up all night now. Weekly. I don't know. I think if it pulls in here below 18, 17 and a half, 19 and a half, I'd probably look to buy it off the weekly. Tesla will go up. Oil? Yes, full time. Cheers, mate. Tesla will go up. I don't know if Tesla will go up. I'm bearish on the market. Why would Tesla go up? So basically, the way I look at everything, there goes gold turning up here. The way I look at the market, I look at the market based upon short, intermediate, long term. If you're looking at intermediate, I look at the 60-minute combined with the daily and the weekly. If you're looking at long term, daily, weekly, monthly. All three are in very severe buy mode there. Okay, on the daily, weekly, and monthly. Martin, what is reversing on the 30 and 60? The S&P futures, Martin, are negative on the 30 and 60. Whatever you're on, send me a case. What are you talking about, reversing to buy? Where do you see the S&Ps reversing to buy on the 30 and 60, Martin? On the S&P. I know, George, I may have to fly to Costa Rica and may never come back. This is Amazon. I'm not going to blow my brains out. But I will tell you, my patience is running thin. This is meant for serious people, okay? This night session here. All right, gold, this rally too. If you're long the gold, okay, I'll be scaling out along on the gold. But listen, guys, seriously, I'm doing this for free. I'm doing this to help you all. If you guys are going to give me a lot of BS, this is the last night. I'm not doing it anymore. I'm telling you, I don't need to do this. I'm doing it for free. I'm trying to help you guys. Okay, in a way, you ask me BS questions, you watch how fast I just close this down because I don't need it. I'm sorry, I'm not trying to be a you-know-what, but I'm here to be serious here. If you guys are going to ask me BS questions, if you're not going to ask questions that you want to learn, watch how fast I go click. Figma's I don't know, the stock's down $80 off the highs.
I think they just had earnings.
Why am I bearish? For how long? I'm bearish because I think the market's going to roll over here. I think it's way overextended, and I think that there are gaps below the market that need to be filled before we go up. How about 42 years? I'm doing this. So basically, the indicators, price leads, indicators lag, okay? So everything I have here is based upon the price lead. Look at this bear flag on the S&P. Oh, my God. First bounce on the 5th. Look at this beautiful pattern right here. But we caught this short at what was that, 2 o'clock today, right? I look at the 15, 30, and 60-minute time frame a lot. Do you trade the 5-minute for an hour? No. I look at the 5-minute. I look at all time frames. Some trades are off of the 3, 5. Sometimes they're off the 15. Like today, for example, if you look at the spiders here, I'll show you. Where am I here? The spiders. Reverse to buy here on the 15. Where am I here? This was a really great short off the 15. New highs, non-confirmation. When the 15s reversed to buy, to sell here, you could take the long. Okay. I do not. The yellow lines are the dots or the price action within the algorithm. I look at the red and the orange and the blue. The solid white line is a moving average. So when the 15 got oversold here, you can see that the 16 to 30 were bullish. So I took the long here against the 15, against the 30 and 60-minute time. What is the best gold strategy? Every strategy I have is based upon buy and sell divergences. Okay, each condition has a buy and a sell divergences. So I have 5 conditions and 10 strategies. What is your opinion on breakout trading at round? What kind of questions are these? Well, I don't understand these questions. Yosha, Am I saying it right? I bought Tesla, but it is down now. Should I hold it or sell? I can't give you that advice. I'm bearish on the market. I've said it 5 times. What is my best strategy for gold? If you're going to trade gold during the U.S. session, you need to look at the underlying ETF, the GLDs. You cannot trade, like today, for example, look at the GLDs. We called a monster short on gold above 44. Why? Look at this. Gold on the 5-minute time frame was making new highs here, the GLDs, and you can see that the MACDs did not confirm the high. That's the 15. Hold on. Let me go to the 5-minute. It was right here. I think we all shorted it right here. Look at this look at this. The gold right here was trading 34.44, and the MACDs did not confirm the high right here from that high. So I knew this was a screaming short, right? Good morning. How are you, bad boy? Mike Jock, I am not looking at XAU on the Toronto Stock Exchange. Okay, I don't even know if I can get market. Can you get market data for that? Please, I don't want to talk about. If I hear XAU one more time, I'm gonna get a gun and I'm gonna slip my wrist like Frank Pentangeli in The Godfather. Okay, I'm gonna slip my wrist, Frank. I can't take it. S&P's down 5. Okay, and Martin, Martin, whatever you're on, please send me a case. How do you think the S&Ps are turning up on the 30 and 60, Martin? You better get here. I'm so mad at you right now. Michael Sweeney, how you doing today, Michael Sweeney? Maluk, does my chart look like that, Maluk? Does it? My chart doesn't look like that. You sent me a picture of a chart. Okay. Good job. Good job, Joshua. Where's Michael Sweeney, my good buddy? Michael, are you on tonight? All right. I don't know about within the hour. I'm looking for shorts. Martin's on morphine. I don't get it. Alex. Aaron, I mean. I don't get it. How in God's creation does Aaron tell me he thinks the 30 and 60-minute time frame on the S&Ps look like they're turning up? Combined with Maluk, I hope I'm saying it, Malik, sending me a chart. Look at this chart he just sent me. Look at this. Michael, tell me if I'm completely on morphine. Look at this. No, don't. Jesus, I liked it in the dark.
How are you going to send it?
He's telling me, does this look right? He's got 400 indicators on it. Does my chart look like your chart? It's common sense. It doesn't. Shut the light off, actually, because I can't take it. It's too late to be this bright. You need to call customer support and fix it and take a picture of what my chart looks like compared to yours. Can somebody do something with the market here? We got 1 hour to go. If the MACDs are all way below the pivot, isn't a divergence to buy or sell? Yeah. Yes, but you have to also look at oversold conditions on that. Right now, look at the indicator 3 is rolling over on the 15. Indicator 3 on the 30-minute looks like it's right in the middle of 55. Both the 15 and 30s are 55. You want to see, Sev, if they can get to oversold conditions, right? I think gold's going to turn up here, especially if these 15s turn up. Of course, I said that and it just drops $1. If I only had a brain. Martin, come in, Martin. I still want to know, Martin, what you think, how the S&Ps are going to turn up. No, I'm looking for shorts on the S&P. I am going to be very, one of my 5 keywords is patience, right? You got to wait patiently. We came in, a couple good shorts on the S&Ps, trade up to 24, then 25, then 25 and a half. Gold got up there. I caught one short for like $30, $40, not much. And then I caught the other short. I was impatient and it got cabooshed. It dropped about $4. I had the right idea. Lime in the coconut. You take the lime in the coconut and mix it together. Right. Where is Martin? So all my strategies are based upon buy and sell divergences. That's it. Very simple. If you can look at this gold drop. If you can master the art of divergences, you've mastered the art of trading. Period. 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 That's it. IT. So you have 3 time frames, 15, 30, and hourly, 5 conditions, and 10 strategies. That's it. Then you gotta know my indicators on my chart overlay. This oil might be a short up here.
Wow, 4 handles on gold. That's a good short.
Who caught short?
Well, from when you got in.
I know, but I made 30 or 40 and I pushed on the other one. There you go, Joshua. Oh my God, look at this gold drop. What's the symbol on TradeStation for gold? Is it GCV or GCQ? I think it's GCV. Is gold GCV?
I know in Ninja it's just GC.
My mentor, I had many mentors. I had Steve Carvelis, who was a mentor of mine. He taught me. He taught me about consistency. The blue dots never got close. Aaron Martin. GCZ. Gold's GCZ. Try GCZ. The Z. Got it. It's GCZ, Maluk. GCZ 25. Thank you. This gold's going to turn up here. Come on, S&Ps. Give me a push. If gold gets down to the 32 and a half, 33, 35 and a half range, I look to buy it. It's down there again. GCU, I think it's just GCZ. It's GCZ. Thank you, everybody. Hey, Cisco, aloha. Hey, my brother. Where have you been? Oh, my Lord. I think most of the students would love to keep the Asian session. I may do it again here. You know what? F it. Let's do it. Put the light back on. I got to look at my calendar. Let's do the Asian session again. I love this. I love this session. Let's do.
You're back.
Oh, my eyes. Okay, this gold's a buy here. I'll be buying this gold here. Scaling into this gold long. You guys want to do the gold set? You want to do the traveling the world? You guys want to do the Asian session again? We did a Wednesday night. I didn't like a Wednesday night. Tuesday nights are good. Mondays are really great. Mondays are really great. I don't know. We gotta decide Tuesday or Thursday. I don't know. What do you think? We tried Wednesday. Wednesdays were horrible. This gold should be bought here for a scalp long. Yeah, I would. You remember? Where did Michael go? This kid just walks out of here. Is he crazy? All right, look to scale out any longs in gold above the 35.5 to 37 range. Let's see, gold's oversold. Now the negative MACDs on the 5 are going to stop it from pushing up here. Absolutely. Alad. Yeah, Alad, text me on my WhatsApp, 914-500-7484. You're more than welcome to spend a few days with me. Okay, Alad? London session? That's not a bad idea. I don't sleep anyway. What do you think, guys, about doing like a 4 to 6 a.m. London session? I don't mind that. That's a good idea. I used to trade the London session. You know that, right? I used to get up at 2 o'clock in the morning, right? And then trade from 3 to 4. I think that's a great idea. I don't sleep. Oh, really great volatility. You ain't kidding. Just S&Ps are just does not. These S&Ps just got to be shorted. This gold's down 7 off the highs here. If you want, this is a scalp long here. Scaling is an art. You have to decide how many contracts. You have to decide how many contracts you want to buy. Like if you want to, first of all, if you want to trade micros or big ones, and then what you want to do is you want to be able to determine how many contracts you want to go in. So like on this gold long, let's say you started buying 35, maybe you go 34, right? Now you go maybe 33, and what I like to do is you go 1, 2, 4, right? Okay, and then you know what you'll want to do is again on any push up here, gold's gonna stall here, so I'll be scaling out of longs on gold like 34, 30 up to 35.5 here, right? You know, Alad, seriously, text me at 914-500-7484 and S&Ps are still short. Where did Michael go? This kid just walks out of here. I don't get it. Buy some gold here at 33 and 32. I don't know where the hell you went. You just walked out of here.
Grab a cup of tea.
A cup of tea? Really? Are you bananas? You couldn't do that beforehand. Even at night you gotta torture me? Even at night you gotta torture me. I just don't get it. Even at night he's gotta torture me.
Bill, 32?
32?
32 and 33?
32 and 33? How many am I long?
2.
So I'm at 30. Where's the trading?
It's unchanged.
I bought 32s?
No, 33.2, 33.
No, I said to buy it at 33 and 32. You understand what I mean? A dollar lower. Not 33.20. Oh my God.
You want me to close it out?
No, buy more at 30. What's my average?
Average is 33.3.
33 point what?
33.3.
Just sell it unchanged. Michael, you got to be careful. I said 33 and 32. I didn't say 33.20.
That's why
All
I
right.
grabbed tea.
All right. Buy more at 32 if it gets down there. You got to listen. Even in night session, you got to make an error? Really?
I have been almost error-free.
No, it wasn't error-free today. Trust me. You're going right in the bathroom on this one. How in God's creation, if I say by 33 and 32, even at 9:15 at night, you're going to make me lose my mind?
We usually do ticks.
What?
Usually do ticks on gold. That's what they're doing.
Just offer the gold unchanged before I tort you. Jesus Christ. Going right in the bathroom, Cisco. I can't take it. Even at night, Josh, he's got to drive me crazy. Right, Frank? The Johnny Walker Blacks might has to come out. Am I flat to gold?
Not yet.
I want to short this. Next bounce. Sunday nights do not move the most.
Order filled.
Flat. Flat gold.
All right, gold just shot up. If you're long, I would kick him out above the 33, 30 to 35 range. I'm looking for a short. Oh my God! Come on, S&Ps do. Wow, look at this oil go. Short some oil here at 45, 48, and 52. Let's short some oil. Shouldn't do this, but let's see what happens. I'm bored. Let's put the gold back up here. I don't know if I can handle that, Josh. I don't know about that. If you and the other thing, Michael, also, if you're not sure, right, you need to ask a question. Steven, what do you mean? You want me you want me to bid 33.20? No, I would say 33.20, right? If I say 33 and 32, I don't know what I'm missing. Buy some gold at 31 and a half. Oh, exhausted. Oh, I love that name, Sierra. Oh my God. We were gonna have another baby and it was a girl, it was Sierra, but we're gonna name it with an S.
Order filled.
What's that?
That was oil? Yep.
Short of where?
45.
Just cover 41. What is it, 42?
43.
Just cover 43. 42. I don't care. It's 41 now?
44 now.
Just cover 42. Come on, S&Ps, do something.
Still bidding gold at 1.5.
Yeah.
Order filled.
Was that gold?
Yeah.
Cover more, buy more at 30 and a half.
Order filled.
Close the oil.
Sell the gold at 32. Just trade it. Oil's dropping.
Can you cut the
Order
highs?
filled.
Sold the oil. Sold the oil. The gold.
Flat everything?
Flat. Cancel the oil. Buffers.
Cancel.
Oh my God! Look at the oil. Look at the S&P oil gold go. Damn it! I gave it away. Damn it! Anybody get long the gold down there? Shoot. S&P short, not yet, Aaron. I want them higher. Look at that gold go. 15's got oversold. Got long at 30 and a half. Kicked it 30 and a half or 31 and a half.
31.
Just made a half a point like nothing. Look at it. Jesus, look at it go. Anybody get the long to go there? Bitcoin? Joe Carpenter, nice to meet you. Crude, I'm short. Crude, I would short. Short this crude at 40. Short this crude at 48 and 53. Doesn't really move much in the Asian markets, and Malik, you gotta go to customer service, please. Your charts are all shangad, as they say in Italian. Look at this moving. Jesus, Lord God Almighty. What was the low on the gold? 31.5 or 30.5? I was bidding 30.5, right?
Yeah, you got 31 and a half. I think it was like low 31.
B. Carter, get in there. Who's contrarian? Heath, you should be trading gold, right? It's moving in the night session. Not bad for a Tuesday night.
No, not bad.
What did gold just get up to? 34? 34. All right. These 15s, I want to try to short this gold. I'm going to short these S&Ps. Anybody short the S&Ps 24, 24 and a half, 25, 25 and a half before? Cancel this oil. I hate this oil in the overnight session. It doesn't even move. I caught 3 cents, 4 cents, and that's like moving a glacier. All right, you know what? Let's do it. Let's do it while I have it. You want to do it again? We'll try it one more time. We'll do Tuesday night. August 12th, 8 to 10, Tokyo, live. We'll do it again. This time I want it done right. I don't look at the Nikkei. I don't even know the symbol for it. I got enough to worry about. I mean, if you're going to trade the European session, it should be the DAX futures and the Euro Stoxx 50 futures. The Euro Stoxx 50 futures was one of my favorite to ever trade, especially when I got up at 2 o'clock in the morning. I would trade the currency markets, like the euro, the pound, right? Right? The Euro Stoxx 50 futures with my software on TradingView, look out, okay? August 8 to 10, so let's run it. What do you mean 8 to 10? What are you talking about? Oh my God Almighty! Come on, this. Oh, look at this. Okay. Tomorrow when you go to Staples when it's slow, and leave the matrices up, and I'll trade like a lunatic. Do you know I went to go short this SMCI at 52.70? I was just about to go and hit it. Okay, and AMD when AMD was trading 77. Can you believe? I mean, I would never have held it down $10, but still. Oh, come on, S&Ps. All right. Oil, I'll be looking to be flat here if you short the oil. I short the oil at 45. Covered at 40. What did I cover? 42 or 41? Gold, you got to be careful with the gold. 42 I covered, down 3.
Yeah.
Big whoop. Look at it, Josh Aru. Look at Josh Aru. Michael Sweeney. Go get him. Gordon Gecko. Look at this. Go, baby. Jay Robertson, are you in the house? Michael Sweeney. I will have to wait because the MACDs are negative on the 15, on the 5. Let me just wait for a better setup. Josh Giroux, Jay, you see this? Look at Josh. Get in there, Josh. Jay, I hope you're up on the day. Papa Robertson as well. Now the problem with gold right now is the MACDs are negative on the 5-minute time frame. Come on, S&Ps, give me a push-up to get short. Blue Horseshoe loves Anacott Steel. You know I was supposed to be in... Oh, I was supposed to be in Wall Street 1 and 2. You know, 1... How many Wall Streets were there? 3 or 2? 2, right? 1 and 2. I had the line to say Blue Star... 7/8 for 50,000. I swear, I had like 4 lines. I was supposed to be in that crowd, and then they called me to a meeting at Bankers Trust. I was sick to my stomach, and then Wall Street 2. I was with a firm called Schoenfeld in New York City, and we filmed on a Friday night a trading scene. And the girl who came up to me lives in England, and we still talk about it. And that night, I was in the back room while they were fixing everything up. Me and Oliver Stone were talking for an hour and a half. Unbelievable. True story. And then he cut my scene out. I got schnooked. True story. I didn't get home till 3 o'clock in the morning, but it was worth it. That's swear. Oliver Stone was so cool. He asked me everything I knew about the markets. And I was like this. I was screaming on the trading desk. I was like, S&P's 300 at the market. Boom. Like this. Like that. He said, give me some lingo to put in the movie. And I gave him a bunch of lingo. And then he cut me out. What happened to my YouTube thing? It went down here? This one here on the left? No, this one here on the left. This one, nobody... After Bad Boy Killer, everybody got mushed. Oh, I'm so tired. How did I miss all these questions?
It must have froze. It's went on like this.
I'm an ICT trader. Sorry, I do not look at ICT. Indicators give right direction and information. Well, the way I have... I'm sorry. Look at this. How is gold bullish or bearish today? Bullish right now. Another person asked me about XAU. I want to kill myself. See, do you have ETH or RTH at all times when looking at the MACDs? During the U.S. session, it's always ETH. I'm sorry, RTH, regular trading hours. Except for the futures market, you let it run continuously, okay? You do not touch it. I am bearish. Today, I don't know why you're thinking gold's going to 33.54. I think gold can keep going higher. NVM, never mind, 5 minute buy 30-year. I don't look at 30-year gold. I used to look at the 30-year. S&Ps, I've been short. Look, oh Jesus, this is gold. What do you go? If gold gets up to the 34.5, I look to short at the 36.5 range. What time frame is that? I missed all these questions. Sorry. I don't want to think. Can you share my number? 914-500-7484. Elad from Israel. Kabooshed. Good job, Scotty Tucker. Listen, you make $197 on 10 accounts. It's not a bad night. Or 5 accounts. It's a G note. Right? Josh, you got to start using more accounts, Josh Giroux. Michael Sweeney. Where's Michael Sweeney? Hello from Thailand. ICT trader, I do not look... I wish you all the best, but that's not something I look at. 27 more minutes. Look at this. Mario's having a scotch on me. Jesus, Mario. You're drinking alone without me? That's BS. Horrible. Oh my God. Drinking alone. I love Mario to death, but that's not right. Short these S&Ps. Go 24 and 3/4 and 26, 24 and 3/4 and 25 and 3/4. Buy, sell, market? I don't understand the question. I'm looking to short the S&Ps here. ICT trader.
Well, I think that person's
Order filled.
Short these S&Ps.
Schwab.
Sell market live.
You got the S&P.
Yep. Cover 3 and 3/4. Short this gold, 34.80. Nasdaq, I probably look to short the Nasdaq 93 up to 23. Short gold at 34. What's it trading? 34.
Order filled.
What's that?
34.80.
Yeah. Short S&Ps at 35, 20, 35, and 35, 25 and 3/4. I didn't want to short gold at 34.80. I wanted to short at 35 and a half.
And you tell me 34.80.
Short. The 15s are turning up here, but whatever.
I'm gonna close it out.
No, just cover 34 and a half. You sell 2 gold up there. I knew gold was a buy down there off the 15s.
35 and a half, right?
Cover gold at 70.
Order filled.
Cover gold.
It's going to drop. All right, if it gets up to 35 and a half, short it. That's where I really wanted to short it.
Stone, that's awesome.
What?
You met Oliver Stone. It's very cool story.
Oliver Stone? We were hanging out for literally an hour and a half in the back room. I'm not bullshitting. He was a great guy.
I love that.
And I said, Oliver, you're going to put me in the scene? He goes, oh, yeah, this is going in. You were good. And he kabooshed me. He absolutely kabooshed me. You're selling 2 S&Ps at 5 and 3/4.
Oh, yes, sir.
Order filled.
What is that? Gold?
Yeah, it's cool. 35 and a half. Oh, it's popping off now. 36 and 3.
Good. Short more, 36 and a half.
Order filled. Order filled.
What's my average on the S&P?
Your average in the S&P is
Cover gold at 36 and 30.
25.50. 36 is your average.
Short 5 gold. Short 5 S&Ps at 28. And cover the gold at 36.
Order filled.
What's my average on S&Ps?
Waiting for more.
Order filled.
Your average is 27 right now.
27 what?
On S&Ps.
27 even?
Yeah.
I cover 3 there. Cover gold at 1 at 36 and 1 at 35.80. Okay, what the hell came out? That's nice. What's my average? 27 and a half?
27 on S&Ps.
How many? You just cover,
So you got 7.
yeah, cover 5, cover 4 there.
You got 4 gold.
You go to sktrading.live. Short 3 S&Ps at 29. Cover the gold. Cover 1 gold at even and 1 at 80.
Order filled.
There you go. Black gold.
Should be, but it's the same. So no.
How many am I short?
You got 2.
Just cover them at 36. Hello from India.
Order filled.
What's my average? What the hell's going on with these S&Ps?
27.50.
Short 3 more at 9.5.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh my
Order
God.
filled.
What the hell's going on with these S&Ps?
28 and a quarter.
All right, those drop.
Order filled.
That's
5
gold.
Yeah, 5 gold.
Short more S&Ps at 32. The hell's going on here?
Order filled.
Got it. Your average
News. There's got to be news or something. What's my average?
29.
All right. Let's see if they drop. 29 here. All right. Some news must have come out here or something. What's my average?
20, 29.
S&Ps, look to cover these shorts here. Oh, I was muted. Below 2030 if you're short, 29 and a half. This guy down to 8 3/4. How many am I short?
You got 8. It didn't give you 8. You got 8 more.
How can that be? It went
Talk to
8.5 bid.
Talk to Greg. I'm going to record it. So I don't like percentages.
Anybody short the gold there? Sorry, Jesus Christ.
If it was real, you'd be out.
Just leave the 9 bid in.
Yeah, it's just.
Bastard. It's gonna drop here to 28. Come on, man, that's bullshit. Look at this oil go. Anybody get short the S&Ps up there? I knew it was gonna drop. Look at this oil explode. Gold just got kabooshed. Who shorted the gold? Oh my God.
Order filled.
There you go. Flat S&Ps.
4 more.
It can't be. It's 8 3/4 bid. What is this number? 6000. What is it? 8675309. What is this number?
Yeah, what's his number?
I don't know. What's 60? I can't even see. 60. What is this number? I'm calling. Where am I calling? Stop sending me your number. I can't take it.
There you go. No.
This S&Ps are going to get kabooshed. Look at them drop. Boom. Kabooshed. I know. I've seen this before in the Asian markets. When they do that, they drop 4 to 6 handles like that.
It was a good short.
8675309. Jenny, who do I turn to? Dun, 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 dun. Who caught the short on the E-minis? I need your name and number on the wall. Can you please stop typing your number? What is this? All right, ban this guy. I can't take it. I'm going to have an aneurysm. Look at this. MUS. Look at this. Can you please stop it? Because he's really. I got your name and number. Look at these. Look at these S&Ps. Ban this guy.
Yeah.
I now got your number. I need to make. Oh my God! Look at this gold. S&Ps. That's a good session. Right before the end of the night. Who's short the gold? Can you stop this? You know what? Let him go. Let him kill himself. I don't care.
Here we go.
What happened?
He should be gone.
Oh my God. Oh my God, what a S&Ps, NASDAQ futures just dropped. Oh my God, look at this oil go. You're still negative on the 1530. You got a triple Lindy here, though. I would never buy the market here. No way. With AMD's earnings like that. I know, you got a little bull flag on the 3 minute. Look at this. S&P's just dropped 5. Look at this. Oh my God almighty. I tell you, got a bull flag right. All right, good job on the bull flag. Come on, S&Ps, give me one more push up. I'm gonna get short. What am I looking at? What am I looking at? What? Michael Bernstein. I shorted all the way up though. Oof, that was brutal. I was short 20. What did I say? 24 and 3/4, 25 and 3/4. Then I went to 28. Then I went to 29 and a half, 31s, and then 32s. You got the gold short. I got gold, Nasdaq, and dollar yen. Good job. You're hired. Oh my God, good job, Heath. It's not shares, it's futures, contracts. Good job on the S&P long, just ran 2. Nice little bull flag, triple Lindy there. All right, short these S&Ps if they get up to 31. Short this piece of shit. 31, go 31, 32 and a half, and 34s. Here we go. Go, 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 Michael, get in there. S&Ps rally, look at them, 4 handles, good long.
Order filled.
About 31s?
How many?
Just one.
All right. Go 1 at 31 and a half. Go 2 at 32. Look at this. Nice long on the S&Ps at 27. Good job. So 1 at 1. Nasdaq, I went short Nasdaq here. 25 up to 45, 50.
Order filled.
Go 32. More. I'm exhausted. How many am I short? 3?
2.
All right, cover 30 and a half and 30. What a long. 5 handles on the S&Ps if it hits 32. Beautiful. ADXs were rising.
Order filled.
Cover 30 and a half and 30.
Yep. Got 30s and a half.
TPNQ 2380. What? You're long at 2380. Good job. You filled at 32 on the S&P?
Yeah.
How many am I short?
Got one more.
I just covered 30. Actually covered 30 and a half. 30 and a quarter. 30 and a quarter.
Got 30 and a half.
All right, flat. All right, look at this gold drop. Jesus, Lord God Almighty. Short S&Ps at 32, 30, 33 and a half. No way these S&Ps should be up here. What a drop in gold. Jesus, Lord God Almighty. I told you the negative MACDs on the 5. Jesus. All right, S&Ps if you're short. Look to cover below 30 and a half here if you're short. Nice long. Igor! Hello, my crazy Brazilian friend. All right, we got about 6 minutes to go. Gonna go home, make a cup of coffee, and go to bed. Gold, believe it or not. Look at this gold drop 5. on the sell diverse. See the negative MACDs on the 30 and the 15? B. Carter, good job, good buddy. God bless you, B. Carter. Joe Carpenter, welcome to the party, pal. He's short. Great job, Joe Carpenter. Come join me every day at sktrading.live. And again, if anybody wants to reach me or text me, my phone number is, if you're long distance, please use WhatsApp and don't kill my phone. My phone number is 914-500-7484. I also host a podcast every night called The Bull, The Bear, and The Ugly on my YouTube channel. Please watch that. Monster patterns using my methodology. Short the gold, S&P's at 32. Go 32, right? Go 33. Go 32. Short this piece of shit. Short 32s.
Order filled.
Okay.
32.
All right. Go 33 and a half. And then go 35. So I'm pyramiding up. That's scaling in, right? I go every 1.5 points. All right. I'm in my short.
Got 2.
I cover 1 at 31 at 1 at 30 and a half. And I think this will be the last trade of the night. I'm exhausted. Gold, absolutely caboose. $7 on gold. Jenny, don't change your number. I need the S&Ps are gonna. What are they crazy? Up 7? With SMCI and AMD getting slaughtered. Good job, Joe Carter. Come join me every day. And again, anybody who wants to text me or call me, my number is 914-500-7484. Look at this gold drop. It's still dropping. $7. NASDAQ, I was short this NASDAQ here. 30 up to 50, 55 on the NASDAQ. I hate the NASDAQ though, but. All right, here we go. 33. Am I short? 33 and a half, right?
Yeah, 33.
How many am I shorting?
2.
Order filled.
How many am I short now?
4.
What's my average?
Average is 20 or 32 and 3/4.
Cover 32. Short more at 34. 3 more. What a bull! Unbelievable. S&P just ran 6.5 handles here. What's my average? 32 and 3/4.
Yeah. Where did you want a short one?
34, Michael. How could they rally these? That's a beautiful long there off the 3 minute. Who said the 3-minute bull flag? That was very good of you, whoever said that.
Order filled.
What's my average now?
Average is 33 and 40.
And how many?
6.
I'm so tired. Cancel my bids. Just cover, it's getting, I want to get home. Cover 33 1/4, 33 and 32 3/4. I'm exhausted. All right, we got about 1 minute to go here. I'll be shorting S&Ps here. 15s are going to reverse the buy, so We'll see if the lows are in. You could maybe buy a pullback on the 5. $30-minute gold's turning. If the 30-minute gold turns negative, the market gold's have got problems. That was a beautiful triple Lindy on the S&Ps off the 3. Who called that? That was beautiful. I just want to go home to bed. I'm exhausted. Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. All right. Gold just rallied a little bit here. $30-minute gold turned negative. Let me see. Watch these S&Ps here. Cover quarter, even, and 30, right? I'm going to go home. I'm exhausted. Gold turned negative on the 30-minute. Let's see. It's about to go negative. It didn't turn negative yet. You buy the S&Ps at a quarter? Jesus Christ. What's my average price?
33 and a quarter.
33 and a quarter or 33 and 3/4?
33 and a quarter.
Hello, 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 hello. Will you just tick it a quarter so I can go home? Look at this. 3 times a hit quarter. All right. All right. So we're going to probably do the Tokyo session again. Flat everything? Good job. I'm flat. Just ticked all the way down. That's why you leave your orders out there. Okay, everybody. S&Ps I'll be looking to cover here, 33 or lower. All right, I hope you had a wonderful time here tonight. I'm going to call Dean. Dean's about to jump. All right. We'll probably do this one more time, okay? Probably next Tuesday. And I just want to say, everybody, thank you for joining me here tonight. It is late. I'm exhausted. S&Ps have no reason to be up here. NASDAQ futures I'll be covering below 33 if you're short. I think the 15-minute time frame reversed to buy. So if you're going to still trade, the way I would look at this is you buy the next pullback on the oversold condition on the 5-minute. Don't ask me why. It's a buy reversal, okay? But that's the pattern. And then I think you get one more push up, and then I think they get absolutely kabooshed. The 15s are getting overbought, the 30s are getting overbought, and the 60-minute time frame has a monster bear flag. Look at the S&Ps drop here, okay? All right. Thank you, everybody. Anybody who wants to contact me again, you can reach me at 914-500-7484. NASDAQ's getting kabooshed. S&Ps are dropping. Would you short gold at 34? Can I go to sleep, please? Yes, if gold gets up there, I'll probably look to short it. I would wait to see if the 5 gets overbought on the double red short, okay? All right. Have a great night, everybody. God bless you. Enjoy the night. I'll see you tomorrow. Please join me at sktrading.live. Here's the link. I stream every day from 9 to 4. Again, I have a podcast called The Bull, The Bear, and The Ugly. Please come and watch me there. All right. Okay. All right, everybody. God bless you. Have a great night. And most important, God bless the United States of America.